This is Gel from One Code Camp, and welcome back to our channel. This playlist is dedicated for ES6 or ECMAScript 6, the latest version of JavaScript. So if you want that your codes will be more readable and concise, stick till the end of this playlist, watch all of the videos.
Before we jump into the details, let's have a quick overview of ECMAScript 2015, also known as ES6. It was a significant update to JavaScript, bringing many new features and enhancements that make our code more concise, readable, and powerful. Today, we're going to focus on specific features that can significantly improve your coding efficiency. Our first stop on the ES6 tour is arrow functions. Arrow functions provide a concise alternative to traditional function expressions. They are not only shorter in syntax, but also introduce lexical scoping. This makes them particularly handy in certain situations. Next up, we have template literals. If you are tired of the cumbersome syntax of string concatenation, template literals are here to save the day. They allow for more flexible and readable string interpolation. Moving on to Destructuring, a feature that simplifies the extraction of values from arrays and objects. Whether you're working with complex data structures or just trying to extract specific values, Destructuring can significantly clean up your code. The spread and rest operators are powerful tools introduced in ES6. We'll explore how the spread operator simplifies array merging and object copying, while the rest operator makes working with multiple function arguments a breeze. ES6 also brought us enhanced object literals, offering concise ways to define properties and methods. If you are tired of the old syntax for creating objects, you will appreciate the simplicity and expressiveness that enhanced object literals bring to the table. Default parameters are another gem in ES6, providing fallback values in function declarations. And last but not the least, we'll dive into the difference between function expressions and arrow functions. Understanding when to use each and how to transform one into the other is crucial for mastering ES6. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of key features introduced in ES6. We've covered arrow functions, template literals, destructuring, spread and rest operators, enhanced object literals, default parameters, and transforming functions. I hope this video has provided valuable insights into how these features can benefit our JavaScript coding journey. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tips and tutorials, and see you guys on the next video, and we will tackle arrow functions.